This is Kareem, and owns a manufacturing plant. His plant has many things at one place such as supply chain and CRM. All these things generate lots and lots of data like transactional data, ERP data, CRM data and public data. These things together that empower and enable his employees to connect with customers and business partners. Now even Kareem's factory looks well equipped, he still faces several challenges. During the production process, machines stop working frequently without any notice, or sometimes the control system gets many errors at the time of product manufacturing. Even when Kareem gets a lot of data, he cannot use it to predict the outcomes he wants. So what could be the solution for Kareem's problems? NIOTEK IoT Solutions are the best option for Kareem to overcome these challenges, whether it is a machine failure, problems in control system, or getting accurate results from the data. Let us see how IoT Solutions can help Kareem and his team. The Internet of Things, IoT, starts with the things installed in the manufacturing plant, the things that matter most for his business. The first step is to add sensors through the factory. In this production point, IoT system can help in monitoring production flow in real time to eliminate waste and unnecessary work in inventory production with the help of the sensors installed in the conveyor belt. All the data gathered by the sensors is sent to the cloud for analysis and creating predictive models. Not only this, but it will help engineers in implementing condition-based maintenance alert to eliminate machine downtime and increase output by predicting machine failure. IoT can help management to manage machines remotely, knowing temperature limits and other settings to save energy and reduce cost. With the collected data from sensors, operations managers can see their production line status and recommend adjustments to manage operational cost using data visualization tools. The research and development department can get insight from the usage patterns from multiple clients and track their equipment failure, enabling Kareem's company to re-engineer products for better performance. From the other side, his field service management can identify what to deploy from the resource for predictive maintenance to minimize equipment failures and reduce service cost. With all solutions, Kareem now can tap to data with IoT dashboards and uncover actionable intelligence. He can also modernize how he does his business. IoT is a combination of sensors, cloud infrastructure, data analytics and visualizations that helps you create a smart manufacturing unit. To know more how we can help your business taking advantage of the Internet of Things, contact us at 01224633115.